Hey guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to teach you how to use your Pro Mic Kit 1. This is perfect for any live performances, recording setup, houses of worship, conferences, karaoke, and much more. As you can see, the Pro Mic Kit 1 comes with a mic stand, a mic clip, an XLR cable, an XLR to 1/4-inch cable, a dynamic microphone, and a canvas carry bag. Now the cool thing about the canvas carry bag is that everything included with the Pro Mic Kit 1 fits right inside, which makes traveling from gig to gig a breeze. So let me show you how to set up the mic stand. Now what we're going to want to do is loosen this bottom knob right here, and then we're just going to pull the base all the way down, and then we can tighten the bottom knob back up. Then we can spread the legs out so we can set it down. Next, what we're going to want to do is loosen this grip right here so we can set the vertical height. And once we find a good height, we can tighten the grip back up so it'll lock in place. The next step is to take the mic clip and screw it onto the stand. I also want to note that the mic clip comes with an adapter piece so we can set it onto different kinds of stands. So now that we have a mic stand set up, we have the ability to play an instrument and sing at the same time. So then you can just take your microphone and slip it into the clip like this. Now the next step is to set up your mic cable. Today I'm using the included XLR, but remember, if your interface, mixer, or powered speaker comes with a 1/4-inch input, you can always use the other included cable. I'm gonna take the female end right here and plug that into the microphone. And then this end will go into your mixer. Let me grab one right now to show you a live setup. So what I have in front of me is a powered mixer and 2 passive speakers so that we're able to hear the mic, which is typical in a live setup. Now before I plug in my mic, I just want to point out that the Pro Mic Kit 1 comes with 2 wire clips. They attach to the mic stand just like this, and this is super useful for cable management to give the mic stand a nice sleek look. So I have one attached here and one attached to the bottom. So now I have the male end of the XLR cable and I'm going to plug it right into the mixer. Next, we're going to want to raise the gain on our channel. And then we'll bring up our fader. Then we'll raise the main left and right output. Now, the great thing about this microphone, the RMC XLR dynamic mic, is that it comes with a built-in on and off switch. So whenever we're ready to use it, we can just flip the switch on, and you'll hear our microphone come through the speakers. And keep in mind, this is a unidirectional mic, which means you're going to want to sing or talk straight into it, because if you do that on the sides, you're actually going to lose volume. Another benefit of dynamic mics is that they're very durable, so they can take a drop on the stage, and they can also handle very loud sound sources like a guitar amp or drums. This is what makes them perfect for live performances and even karaoke setups. But this mic and stand are also perfect for recording setups, so let's check that out now. So for recording setups, we're going to need a USB interface or mixer, as well as a Mac or PC with a DAW like GarageBand, Audacity, or Pro Tools. You'll also need powered speakers or headphones to hear back anything you recorded. So similar to our live setup, we want to make sure that the female end is connected to our microphone. Then we'll take the male end and plug that into our USB mixer or interface. And if your mixer or interface comes with a level knob or fader, we'll raise that as well. After that, we'll flip the switch on, and then you should see the signal coming into the DAW from my mic. Now, when you're using your interface or mixer with your DAW, you'll want to go into the sound settings and make sure the input and output are set to the interface you have plugged in. If you're using GarageBand or Audacity, the computer should recognize your interface by default. After that, all we have to do is press record. Check 1, 2, this is Perry from Rockville using my Pro Mic Kit 1. So as you can see, this recorded no problem to our DAW, which makes this perfect for recording vocals, guitar amps, drums, or anything else you see fit in your recording setup. Now we can use this same setup for podcasting or video conferencing. So I hope this video showed you guys how easy it is to set up your Pro Mic Kit 1, but if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach our customer support team by phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and I'll see you guys next time.